You are going to lose 90% of your friends. Immediately you start doing well. When God start blessing you, you are going to lose friends. When you have nothing, most of your friends will be there with you. They just feel very happy seeing you suffering, struggling. They will give you change. At times they will give you some money. At times they will buy things for you, and they're happy to be the one helping you. As soon as doors opens in your life, as soon as God start blessing you, many of them will disappear because they are not happy for your blessings. They are not happy that you are married. They're not happy that you got a new job. They're not happy that you are healed. Many of them are just happy seeing you suffering and being the one giving you that little change, little bread. Oh, they feel good because, oh my God, without me, he can't do it. Without me, she can't do it. So they're happy being the one giving you. As soon as doors opens in your life, they will disappear. They are not happy. Just the other day, my mother-in-law told me she was renting from this lady. For a while, she was renting from her, and the lady was helping them. She was a kind person. She didn't charge them a lot, what she was supposed to charge for the rent, But at some point, God blessed my sister-in-law, and she built a house. And my mother-in-law told me that when she went to the landlady or the landlord, as we would say, and told her, listen, we are going to move in a few months from now. God has blessed my daughter to acquire a property. She has a house now, so we are going to move. Thank you for everything. My mother-in-law said to me, the lady started crying. She said at first she thought it was tears of joy. And she said she was shocked when the lady started cursing her, swearing at her, saying all kind of negative things at her. She couldn't understand it. Why would this lady that I would consider a God sent in my life, who was helping me all the time, now is not even happy that I acquired my own property? I mean, I've seen this lady as a good person over the years. She should be happy for me. The lady to this day doesn't want to hear that anything good is happening to my mother-in-law. I told her, I am not shocked. You will lose 90% of your friends when God start blessing you. Don't go looking for friends. Let God send the right people in your life. That type of friend that will be there for you when you have nothing, and now that you're blessed, they are still there for you. That is a friend, or those are friends from God. The friends who will leave you and run, immediately your doors begin to open for you. Oh my God, they are not your friends. They are not your friends. Doors opened for you and they are gone. They are not happy for you. But when you are suffering, they are there. They will even help you, give you some money, give you some bread. They just want to be happy being the one, giving you a little fish to eat, giving you some bread to eat, giving you some change to buy a few things for yourself. But as soon as you're in the position to provide for yourself, they are gone. Those are not the friends. If you really, really need friends, pray and ask God to send the right person. You will never regret it.